Thank you so much for the comment. And you asked, as a book author coach, how can you monetize? So let's go ahead and get into it. How are we getting paid from this? This is episode, I believe it's 3. And here we go. So one of the things that I like to do whenever any of you ask me about monetization tips is for me to ask you a couple of questions in the DMs and get some more information about your business model, and the type of content that you create. So from our DM conversation, it states here that you are looking to talk to folks about writing their books. You offer coaching. You also offer manuscript writing and some other things as well. So based upon that, I think you should actually go the route of selling templates. Now with templates, they're really great because you can actually do them one time and get paid for them over and over again. They're also very helpful and useful, and you can include them inside of your actual content and link to them as well. Now with these templates, folks that are writing books, even I get this request a lot, they're always looking for like the first steps of how they get started, right? Where do I start to write my book? How do I even begin? And creating a template gives them the step-by-step that all they have to do is just fill it in, and they're able to create the book. Marketing plans are another good one as far as templates go. But then you can dive a bit deeper, and depending on the type of books that you write, I saw some things around mystery and things to that effect, creating short films and selling those short films on platforms such as Gumroad or even like Podia. There's another one that comes that I can't think of the name of that platform, but you can also sell your short films and link to them on Facebook as well, and inside of Facebook groups. So if you have a book that you absolutely love and that folks always tell you that they love to read, then I would think about really turning that book into a short film, or creating a series that can actually morph that book into an actual film series that you can then put on Patreon and have people access, or buy me coffee. There's coffee.com as well as another platform. So there's a lot of different platforms that you can use to actually distribute your film. And of course, you can use Vimeo and YouTube and all the regular ones that we always hear about. But depending on your business model and where you want to go, I think templates are a great place to start based upon the content that I've seen here. But I'm going to tell you right now, folks are willing to pay for films, regardless of what you heard on the other one, right? You make sure that you're creating content that people actually want to see. And you also can possibly shop that content around to different places as well, such as Netflix, or put it on Tubi. So if you have all these skills that you know how to create manuscripts and put together films, why not direct a film, and why not put it out there and start to shop that film around? Now, granted, that could take a little bit of time. So in the meantime, creating those templates for the folks that need them and helping them get started. And it's also passive income, which I love, that you only have to do one time and you can sell it over and over again. Hope this helps. Peace.